Moreno Associates was founded in 1993 to basically provide full-time, full-service building maintenance offerings that included janitorial, paint and coatings, plumbing, electrical services. We feel that we could bring to the small to medium companies what larger companies were bringing to some of these mega corporations. We felt that we could bring them down to the small to medium-sized companies as well. Our company's values essentially is to do the right thing. We've said that time and time again over the years. The culture that we try to imbue here at this company has always been family first. At the end of the day, no one's going to say how much time did you spend in the office. So when we do bring our profession into the office, we want to keep it in a family type focus, yet structured to where we can provide good quality building maintenance services to our clients. Main thing we try to do is empower our frontline employees because they are our first line of defense. So if you could imagine an upside down triangle from myself all the way up through our frontline workers, who are the largest employee base within Moreno Associates, they are the ones with the most power. They're the ones who have all the requirements to provide what it is that we brought in from a sales basis into human resources, through operations, through their performance as a custodian, or as we like to call them in today's world, artisans. Moreno is made great only by its people. It is 100% a people-based business. We don't provide a box and call it Moreno. We provide a human being that provides services, and we call that Moreno, and that's what we want to make great.